working a little bit with the Windows system and the file system. What we're going to try and do is clean some stuff up, make some more space on the hard drive. So the quickest and easiest way to do this is to go to My Computer and then right-click on Drive C. Go to Properties, and it opens this. I want to hit Disk Cleanup. It's going to open this window here. It should take a few seconds before it actually pops up. What it's going to do is check your whole computer for kind of the typical places that old files that aren't necessary anymore tend to store up. So it pulls up stuff like this, temporary internet files, offline web pages. It'll leave the default ones checked. You don't have to check everything. Just leave the default ones checked, and it'll clean up most everything by itself. I usually check the recycle bin while I'm doing this, but the recycle bin is something you can empty on your own anyway. If it does pile up with enough files and enough data, it will slow the computer down.